Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right. Well, let's move on and let's talk about Lyft changing priority mode criteria.
Poverty mode.
Yeah.
Poverty mode is getting worse.
You know what? It depends, though. If you're in Minnesota, it doesn't matter because you're getting paid guaranteed rates. If you're in Washington, it doesn't matter because you're getting paid guaranteed rates. So everywhere else, you're screwed.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it, but then some people like it. You know what I mean? Yeah. They want to do more trips, and if you're doing part-time, maybe you flip that thing on, poverty mode, where you get paid 15% less, but I'll go feed you more trips. So I don't know. I'm not going to say don't do it or do it, but I wouldn't do it. I'm already getting paid peanuts. I don't want to get paid 15% less for a few more trips. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I mean, as the writing is too small, you can read that priority mode update, Chris, right there.
Yep. So it says we've updated the criteria to be eligible for an earnings adjustment, which is the Lyft fee cap. So you'll be eligible if you gave rides in priority mode for at least 1 hour and it didn't keep you as busy as expected. And you didn't miss or decline more than 3 rides per something or other.
Yeah, 3 rides, or so if you're using priority mode, it's going to change. It's going to get a little bit more difficult for you guys. I mean, look, I don't know. Some people say I like priority mode, poverty mode, whatever it is. And so it's changing. Goalposts are moving as usual. Not surprised. I mean, I don't think it's that drastic of a change, but we just thought we'd let you guys know. I don't think anybody here is using poverty mode, but I don't know. Maybe some.
I don't know. Put in the comments. Are you using priority mode for Lyft or not? So let us know, because I don't know. I mean, some people do, and it just depends. I know Joe puts it on, but like I said, he's in Minnesota, so
yeah.
Doesn't really make a difference for him.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.